Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports.
This 2021 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler Trike with only 234 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs and rides great. It's been upgraded with HD Series Air Wing luggage rack and Harley-Davidson Series detachable 20-inch windshield. From the factory, it comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and reverse. With the stripped-down hot rod-inspired style, the Freewheeler provides familiar power and modern convenience with smooth handling. Powered by Harley's time-tested Milwaukee 8 114 cubic inch motor that puts 122 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 6-gallon tank, a seat height of 27.6 inches, and a dry weight of 1,085 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.